If you want to use Google's Gemini LLM, then you have to create an API key on Google, and it is totally free. It will only take 2 minutes and then you can start using Gemini. In Google, you have to type AI Google Developer. Then you have to click on this link ai.google.dev. And once you come on this page, you will see AI for every developer. Learn more about the Gemini API. And then if you scroll down, you will see build with the Gemini API. And if you scroll down further, you will see an option here, get API key in Google AI Studio. You have to click here. And once you click here, you will come on this page. Now it will ask you to acknowledge this. So you have to click here, I consent. And then these two are optionals. You can just leave it as it is. Or if you want to receive some emails from Google, then you can check this box. But I'm going to leave it as it is. Then you have to click on continue. And once you come on this page, you will see two options, use Google AI Studio, and the second one is develop in your own environment. So we want to use API keys, so we will select the second option, get API key. Now once you click on this, now here you see you don't have any API keys here. Now to create an API key, you have to click here, create API key, and then you have to click here, got it. And now it is creating an API key for you. And here you have to select a project. So you can just select here, create API key in new project, and it will start generating. Now this is the API key that it has created for me, and it will also create for you once you follow all the steps. And whenever you want to use Gemini, you have to use this API key. I am going to delete this API key because you should never expose your API keys to anyone. It is very private and personal. So never expose it to anyone, never share it with anyone, never disclose it. And still you see that you don't see it here. So I'll just refresh this browser and then you should be able to see. So now here you can see I have this API key that I just shown you here. Now I'm going to delete it because it is now seen by everyone in the video. That is why I have deleted, but I can create a new one and then I can start using it. In my next tutorial, I will show you how you can use this Gemini API key using LlamaIndex to create some prompt. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.